Everyone, this is Prakhar again, and today I'll be demonstrating a brand new feature for Alpha that is GitHub two-way sync, or you can call it GitHub import. So, what you can do with this, you can import your existing repositories in Alpha, make changes to it, ask Alpha to do whatever you want it to do. When you are happy with the changes, you can push it back as a commit or as a new branch in your existing repository. This has been the most requested feature for Alpha, and we've been working really hard for a couple of months on this one. And I'm really proud while making this video, and I would love your suggestions and feedback on this one. Currently, we are rolling out this feature for all our pro users, and we will be releasing this feature later on this month for all the users. So here we are. We can import our existing repository through import from GitHub. I have an existing repository. It was made in React and Tailwind. It's a simple dashboard. So I'll click import from GitHub. It follows a GitHub login process, GitHub auth. I've already logged in. So I'll just paste the repository link, click next. So now I'll select the framework and language I'm working with. It's React, Tailwind, and TypeScript by default. The package manager I want to use, I will prefer using Yarn. And what branch I want to import in Alpha. So I'll import the main branch itself. So I'll click submit. It will take a couple of seconds. It will load up all your files and open up the code environment. Yep, so here we are. All my files are imported in the code environment. We can see it on the chat as well as all the files are present here, including image files and SVG files. So now I can chat with it. First, I will install dependencies. Now I'll run the project. Yeah, here we are. So this is the existing repository that I've just imported. So this is a simple campaigns table over here, and there's this customer report and setting. So we can see we don't have a customer page right now. So we'll ask Alpha to add a customer page in this project. Please add a customers. So we'll prompt it, please add a customer page with a list of customers and relevant dummy data. And we can just send up the prompt. We have also added reasoning support. So Alpha reasons deeply and then it decides when it needs to reason and needs not to reason. So it is installing some dependencies and parallelly generating the contents. So here we are, the output is here. Let's click customers and yes, now we have a customer page with list of customer and this is probably dummy data coming up from yes, this is the customer page. We are generating the data using Faker.js dynamically. Yep. So we can push this entire thing back to our repository by clicking this GitHub connected button directly. We can either push to an existing branch or create a new branch. We'll push to the existing branch at the moment. We can edit the commit messages, added customer page, and we can click create commit, check permission if we have permission to push to that reference, and it's creating the commit. So commit is created successfully. We can go back to our repository, reload it once, and we have a commit that we just made, added customer page. It's very similar to how a normal developer commits and makes changes. It adds added React router since now we have multiple pages in that project. And if you want to create this as a separate branch, you could have selected commit in a new branch, and then you can create a PR and merge accordingly. If you click create new branch, it will ask you for what branch you want to push in. Let's say I'll make a branch for my name. I'll check if the branch name is available or not, and I can create a commit here as well. So the branch has been pushed. We can check that as well. So yes, now we have a branch named Prakhar in my repository with all my changes and the commit. That's it for today. Thank you so much.